Guys, look at first of all who's in the video. Say hello, Keelan.
What's up, everybody?
An absolute OG to the channel. I can't really hear right now. My allergies. Keep in mind, I got really bad allergies in Arizona, I think from weather change, and then I came to California. Pretty much smacked myself in the face twice. The good news is that I can't hear. I'm kidding, that's the bad news. So the bad news, I can't hear. Good news is, we're at OC Cars and Coffee. It's been so damn long. Sam's here, James is here somewhere. A lot of people are here. The turnout is absolutely insane. This meet just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. From like the first time we used to come here to now, it's absolutely insane. I can't hear myself talking, so I'm just gonna show you guys cars. Okay guys, Obi who works at Iluso just bought this and I got really upset because you guys know how much I like it, but it's very beautiful and I need one. Guys, look at the wing. Look at the wing now. Stop it. That's so much downforce. What is that? That's so sick. Okay, the fact that this guy's behind him makes it all the most better. They must have rolled up as a unit. I do want to give a big shout out because the people who always supply me with cars when I'm in LA is Drive LA. I'm sure you guys know Drive LA these days. They're massive. Everyone's in Drive LA cars and I'm really excited for them. They gave me this car for the entire time here and I'm super appreciative. So go check them out, show them some love from the Driven by Jordan family. Now this is essentially a Supra. This is the closest thing to a Toyota Supra. Now it is a convertible, so I think the Supra is gonna handle a little better. I would take a Supra over this, I think. But I really am impressed with how this car drives so far. Super quick, like F80 M3 quick. Like as quick as my M2, it's that fast. And the fact that the top is down makes it kind of an actual better enjoyable experience. I've been really liking convertibles lately. I hate them from an aesthetic standpoint, but I love them from a driver standpoint. But we're in Orange County. I'm gonna give you guys kind of more of my opinions on this car as we go, and that means I need to get in a Supra soon to kind of do a review. Right now, we need more coffee. Well guys, it's time for me to head back to California tonight. Tomorrow, I need to somehow figure out by half of the day to get my OEM headers put back on my car. And I somehow need to figure out how to get my windshield little tiny crack, not really a crack, it should just get filled. Then I need to drive my car all the way to Temecula. I'm staying in Temecula and I drive it to San Diego the next day. It gets bought in San Diego and then Katie needs to pick me up, my brother's girlfriend from San Diego, drive me back to Temecula, and Jeremy and Katie are taking me back to Scottsdale where I will no longer have a car. The replacement of the GT4 on this channel is coming very soon. The GT4 is leaving Tuesday, and I'm dropping off the Z4 right now, which by the way, I want to give another huge shout out to Drive LA for giving this to me. And also, I feel like the only wrap I have on this car is this just gave me an idea of what a Supra's kind of like, and I kind of want one. I've heard not so good things about tracking a Supra, but as far as driving, this car is way too fast for just being a little BMW Z4. Super fun car. I like convertibles. Like, it's not what I would choose, but I definitely enjoyed it. So again, huge shout out. I gotta get to the airport. I got a lot of things to do. 5 hours and 16 minutes. I got home late last night and now I go back to California in the Porsche. My last drive with my car, I'm gonna try to like appreciate her. I've definitely lacked the appreciation because it's my everyday car. I get in, I drive, and sometimes I just don't even actively realize what I'm driving. But we gotta get on the road. I don't wanna hit traffic. I'm gonna be there at 8:30, which is great. I got out way earlier. I just shipped out my headers. Headers are sold, exhaust is still available. Whew. Now I have like 3 days to find a replacement. Subscribe to the channel to see the replacement. Today's the day I've been speaking about for a long time, and I'm really sad about it, but I'm also happy about it because it's just like I've disconnected from my car. But we're here at my lender and it is time to sell the car. The buyer gets here in like a minute, any second now. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna say my final goodbyes. Kind of just wanna say them right now. This car has been a dream to own, and I'm so sad to be selling it. It's just a four-door makes sense to me right now. The market's crazy, so it just made sense to sell. And I try not to get too attached to my cars, so she's gone. Well, I will see you guys when we're out and when the car's officially sold, because I mean, could hit the fan and it doesn't sell. She's gone, guys. Bye, Porsche. I'm gonna miss you a lot. That probably goes down in history, other than I gotta give the Golf R my extra credit. That has to go down in history as my favorite vehicle ever. She is sold, and now I have no car. Health is wealth, baby.
Nope. It's all about truffle fries.
we just ate food and I did a thing. Do you want to see the thing I did? Okay, fine, I'll show you the thing I did. You ready? Wait. Okay, you saw the thing. You saw a little bit of it. I've been looking for this thing for so long. And this thing, I don't know why I'm talking like this. The thing that I've been looking for is under the name of Oliver People. I knew Oliver People made the sunglasses that I'm about to show you. And I only say that because you guys saw them. But I found the exact same glasses from a different company that costed 1/4 of the price. They were like 100 some bucks instead of $400. And I've been literally wanting these forever. I'm really big into fashion. I've been for a while and I've been trying to get into the industry, but I literally never buy anything. So I figured today, what the hey, it's time to celebrate, baby. Car's gone, day 2 since car gone. A lot of car shopping. I've kind of narrowed down the replacement to 1 car. So I know what I want. Now it's just a matter of finding one. I need to be like a little patient, but like I can't be too patient. Long story short, I know what I want. Now it's a matter of finding it. We're heading back to Arizona because we're in California, but we need coffee first. That's important.
No, we don't.
All right, y'all, we're on a little pit stop, a little In-N-Out action. I'm eating healthy though, so I don't get fries, which is, you know, just a shame, an utter shame. Okay, this vlog has gotten so out of control. Typically a video where I'm buying or selling a car would be like super planned out and everything. But like you guys have kind of realized, it has been ridiculous. I've been back and forth from different states, and here I am every single morning in straight car mode. Car shopping, finding a car. And you guys out there are selling an RS3, an RS5 Sportback, or an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Spoiler alert, those are just 3 cars I'm sort of interested in right now. DM me on Instagram, on my Driven by Jordan account. Clean cars only, maybe a friend of yours is selling one. That's what I'm interested in right now. I need to buy a car. I don't really have time. I'm not here to surprise you guys with a crazy replacement. That is what I want. Those are the 3 cars I'm interested in. I'm gonna end this vlog here. GT4 is sold. That is this vlog. Hopefully the next vlog will be me picking up a car, ready to replace my vlog. I don't know. It's the first time I've been kind of rushed to buy a car, but I'm still gonna find a good deal. So hit me up. I love you guys. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Subscribe to the channel. Finally, the Desert GT4 is gone. There's no more stale content. We'll have a ton of fresh content for you guys. We're gonna do road trip content finally, which I couldn't do in the GT4. So it's real, I'm really excited to get back on the car stuff super hard. But right now I'm just walking around. So I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.